Welcome to our video from Ysgol Gymraeg Casnewydd, showing you how to log into Teams, how to log into Hub, and what sort of applications are available to use. You need to open up any sort of internet browser. It can be Internet Explorer. I've used Google Chrome here. Type in Hub in the search bar, press enter. Now it gives you login to use, but don't use that one because it takes you to a different login part of Hub. And it's not the same thing and you'll get a little bit lost. So go to the Hub to bring up their home page, then choose login. Now for the purpose of this video I'm going to use a learner login, so it'll show what you will see on your computer as well. Your username needs to be typed in exactly as it's shown. It's not case sensitive, isn't the actual username. But don't forget to put the @hubcamry.net, the whole email address. The password is case sensitive. And to be very careful in entering the password. If it says it's incorrect, try entering it again. You can maybe copy and paste it from where you've got it into the right place to make sure that the case and all is correct. Once you've logged in, it'll show you this main screen. Office 365 is what we use mostly. I'm going to show you Just Too Easy first. Just Too Easy is a brilliant little app that children can, if you go to JIT5, you can choose, the children can do some writing, they can do some painting of some pictures, there's different animals they can use, they can code characters to move around and move around the board. They can create bar charts and graphs, pictograms. They can even create animation sequences and branching databases. So JIT5 and through J2E, Just Too Easy, is a really handy application to use. So if I pop back, so that's one to remember. Office 365 is where we mainly hang out. So in Office 365, you've got Outlook, which is where all your emails and things will be kept. OneDrive is their place where they can store things for themselves. Any work and things will be stored on Teams, which is separate to OneDrive. I'll show you that in a later video. Word, that's Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, so a way of making notes and things if the children want to. Teams, this is our main app. This is the one that we use for everything, really. And there are videos on how to use Teams available as well. Sway is very, very similar to PowerPoint. And it's quite a fun little thing to play around with. Your child might enjoy playing with it, but PowerPoint is the main one that we use at the moment. And that's it. You've logged in, you've opened up Microsoft Office 365, and you've got your different apps available for you. One last thing to show you. In the corner up here is your way of installing Office. So if you don't have Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint on your computer, it is available for free to every child in Wales. So you come here, you push the little arrow, install Office, Office 365 apps. Once it's installed, it'll ask you to log in. You use your child's username and password. It'll activate Office 365 for you. And then anything you do through Teams, you can do straight through the apps on your computer, which is a lot quicker and easier. And it connects and talks to Teams. It's very clever. So that option is available for you. Thank you very much for listening. I hope it was helpful. And I shall see you on the next one.